Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how you can get the DeepSeek V4 Flash Model API key absolutely free with unlimited usage. But you have to hurry, because this offer is available for a limited time only. So, let's get started. Go to your browser and search for b.ai. I'll also add the link in the description. Now, here you can see the provider, and the DeepSeek V4 Flash model is available for free for a limited time. So, simply click on it. Now, simply log in using whichever method you prefer. I'm going to use Google Authentication to log in. After successfully logging in, click on API. Here, you can see that the DeepSeek V4 Flash, DeepSeek V4 Flash Vision, and HY3 models are currently available for free. Now, click on Create API Key. Here, you can give your API key any name you want. Then, click Confirm and copy your API key. Now, in the API documentation, you'll find configuration guides for various AI agents and tools. For today's video, I'll be using Claude Code. So, go to your .claude directory and open the settings.json file. Then, from the documentation, find the Claude Code configuration, copy it, and paste it into your settings.json file. Next, add the API key you just generated and change the model name to DeepSeek V4 Flash. Make sure you change the model name correctly, it's very important. Otherwise, the configuration may not work as expected. Now, Claude Code is up and running, and you can start using it too. So go ahead and try it out. Also, I might share a new DeepSeek V4 jailbreak soon, so make sure to stay tuned.